got a storm up ahead.
Oh my god.
Oh shit.
We're riding right into it.
This is epic.
Nah,
Hold on tight.
Alright. Oh
Hold
shit.
on tight, gentlemen.
Oh, shit. Oh my god, okay. I'm gonna try.
Oh! Serpent!
What the
Serpent!
fuck?
Oh shit!
Get your bows out! Shoot it! Shoot it!
Run!
It's chasing us!
Serpent! Holy shit!
Oh my god, go! Pull your bows out! Shoot it!
Volley! Volley!
Oh my god, I'm against the wind. I can't move.
Oh no!
John, fight him. We have a bow too.
Oh my god, boys, we have to go. We can't kill.
We have to fight
Oh man,
for glory!
Come on, hit it! Go! Come on, boys!
Oh, we're taking heavy damage.
Oh my god.
To port side.
Holy shit, boys! Oh my god, go! Go, we're with the wind!
He's almost half health. He's almost half.
Come on,
Wait, how do you see the HP?
Ah, you son of a bitch. You had to hit it first.
Kurt, shoot it!
I don't have a bow.
Oh my god, we're gonna cast up.
Mistakes were made.
Oh shit!
Pass me a bow. Pass me a bow now.
God.
Oh no. Someone drop him your bow, maybe?
I can't. If I stop, we're gonna stop. I'm heading to shore.
Just press tab. Just press tab. Or whatever your inventory
take
is.
my bow. No, it fell off!
Oh my god. Did it fall off?
Yes!
No.
Take him out!
I'm being distracted and you guys can move.
No.
Jumping on this thing.
No! No, we're fucking dead.
Run! The shore's right there.
We're so close to shore.
Oh my god, try to stay away from it.
Pretend you're dead. Why is he going there?
I'm dead.
I got one shot.
Oh my god. Oh no!
I'm drowning.
Yep, I drowned.
I'm about to make it! Oh my god, I'm gonna drown.
God, make it. Drop a portal.
I drowned right before the shore.
No.
Holy shit.
That was just